Guys, good morning. We're at Thames Barrier Park, Yorkie Lucy's favourite park, and it's a stunning park really. This is how they've kept it. Look how trim it is. It's an absolute stunning park. Beautifully kept, trees trimmed properly, the bushes immaculate, absolutely immaculate. It is a beautiful park. Beautiful, look at that. That is absolutely immaculate. Yorkie Lucy over there. Hey Yorkie Lucy. Well, my hat goes off for the gardeners here because they've done an amazing job keeping this park in this winter freezing cold condition. Awesome. Obviously you've got the River Thames over there leading all the way there. You can walk over that way along the River Thames and a bit yonder, and you've got a cafe there which is open I think from Wednesday to Sunday at the moment. So yeah, thank you so much to the gardeners of Thames Barrier Park. Yorkie Lucy, she knows all the gardeners. Hello, signs of spring coming. These little flowers popping up there, look at that. Right, yeah, it's the nearest DLR is Pontoon Dock Station, guys, if you want to come and visit DLR. Got loads of squirrels, got loads of birds, squirrels. Obviously hiding somewhere. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful park.